Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Chams and you are watching Base Rules. In today's video will be the second episode of Learning Tunisian Vocabulary. If you would like to see more videos like this, kindly let us know in the comment section down below. Without further talk, let's jump direct into the video. The first word in my new list is car. Okay, car is not the same word as in English. Car in Tunisian means bus. One fast example, Rkebt el Car. I took the bus. Don't be confused here. Car in Tunisian means bus, not vehicle, not karahba like we saw in the other video. The second word in my today's video will be Matar. Matar means airport. Probably you need to know this word in Tunisian on your first days. One example, I went to the airport. Mchit للمطار. I went to the airport. Let's stay in the airport, and if you go to the airport, you probably will take the plane. So plane in Tunisian is طيارة. It's exactly the same as Arabic. طيارة. ركبت في الطيارة. I took the plane. Or let's give another example, because every time we say we took. Let's say ضيعت الطيارة. I hopefully not, but it means I missed the plane. The word number 3 in my today's video is محطة. محطة means station in Tunisian. It's exactly the same as Arabic as well. Let's give an example. المحطة فارغة. The station is empty, which never the case. Okay. My word number 5 or 4 maybe in my today's video will be case. Case means cup. We can say also in Tunisian فنجان. And one Arabic word also used in Turkish language and even in Bosnian language. Let's give one example. شربت فنجان قهوة. I drink it a cup of coffee. The word number 6 in my today's video is دبوزة. دبوزة means bottle. It can be water bottle, it can be whatever, but bottle means دبوزة in Tunisian. Let's give one example. حليت الدبوزة. I opened the bottle. The word number 7 in my today's video will be magasin. Magasin or عطرية. Magasin in Tunisian language means supermarket. Let's give one example. المجازان مازالت محلولة. or العطرية مازالت محلولة. The supermarket still open. One more word in my today's video is stylo. Stylo means pen. I think there is the word stylus in English. Now we hear it in the new smartphones. Probably it's loaned from the French language. Stylo means stylo. Let's give one example. Jibli stylo azrak. Bring me a blue pen. The last word in my today's video will be قلم رصاص. قلم رصاص in Tunisian means pencil. Or even we can say just قلم. We don't have to say قلم رصاص. If you say قلم, everyone probably will understand you. In the right way, I hope. Okay, let's give one example. Let's make it easy. Jibli قلم. Bring me a pencil. And that's it for today's video. If you'd like to keep these videos going, please give me a like and let me know in the comment section down below if you'd like to see more and more videos like this. And that's pretty much it, and hopefully to see you in the next one.